good buddy Kurt Fell, owner of the Blind Turtle Company, he too loves to chase turkeys. And when I got to see this footage, it had a special place in my heart. He took out his very, very young boy along on a hunt and had a, well, you see what happens.
Caden and I are set up on the edge of a big food plot, and we're gonna see what happens. We've been seeing some birds in here. We had some time to slip out this morning. We're hoping we can get one. Caden's got his earmuffs. Show him your earmuffs. Oh yeah, he's gonna wear his earmuffs. Shh, 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 shh. Okay, you can't be too loud.
I think he took by the building.
Okay.
Got him.
We got him, buddy.
Let's go get that white and white and brown turkey. Okay, here we go. Okay. Brown turkey means that you drop it in.
Sure looks like a turkey. Wow, wee, buddy. Get down there by him. Get down on your knees so I can see you.
Had a successful hunt this morning out of the blind turtle using the Buffalo Valley game calls, and this is what we ended up getting put on the ground.
As you can see, the Blind Turtle offers some great concealment for his boy and himself to get out there and chase those turkeys. He can be a little loud, he can have a little fun, and still get the job done. Way to rule the roost, Kurt. Once again,